Hi everybody, welcome to this SPM Modern Maths revisions. This is lesson number 12. In this video, I'm going to talk about the rotations. Okay, actually you have learned 4 types of transformations, which are translations, diffractions, enlargement, and rotations. Among these 4 types of transformations, I feel that the rotation is the hardest one because we need to consider a lot of things. The center of rotations, the angle of rotation, and the directions. Okay, let me show you how to draw the image for rotation. Before that, I will show you what's the method that I will be using to draw the image of rotation. Okay, let's say if now you have a center here, this is the center of rotation. You have a point here, point P. Okay, so if this point is rotated 90-degree clockwise about the point C, where is the image of the point P? So I will suggest you to use this method if you feel that the rotation is very complicated. Every time start counting from the center of rotations. You see, 1, 2, 3, 1. You will get 3, 1, this L shape. So if this L shape, you rotate it 90 degree clockwise, it will become 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. So the image will be here. This is 90 degree clockwise rotation. Okay, if you want to draw the image for 180 degree clockwise rotation about the point C, then you have to turn one more times. So now you have 3 1, right? So here also 3 1. So turn it one more time. 1 2 1 2 3. Not going here, but go here. Be careful. Okay. So this image for point P for 180 degree rotation. Okay, when we talk about 180 degree rotation, we don't have to mention the direction. Means that you don't have to mention clockwise or anti-clockwise, because clockwise 180 and anti-clockwise 180 is actually the same thing. Okay, so if you want to rotate 270 degree clockwise about the point C, then you have to turn another 90 degree. 1 2 3 1. Okay, so this is 90 degree, another 90 degree, so total up is 180, and another 90 degree, so total you get 270. From here you will notice that actually the clockwise rotation for 270 degree is actually equal to 90 degree anti-clockwise, right? The same thing. Okay, so if clockwise, okay, 270 degree clockwise rotation is actually equal to 90 degree anti-clockwise rotation. You see, if you rotate this point anti-clockwise 90 degree about this point, you will get the same thing here, right? Okay, so another one is 270 anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise 190, 180, 270, right? It's actually equal to 90 degree clockwise. Okay, so if the questions ask you to draw the image for a rotation 270 degree clockwise about a certain point, you don't have to turn so many times, right, in order to get 270 degree. If the question asks you to draw 270 degree clockwise rotation, you just draw 90 degree anti-clockwise rotation. Then it will be faster and easier, right? Okay, let me give you some example. Okay, let's look at these questions. Q is the image of triangle P. Okay, now this is the object. We have the triangle Q, which is the image of triangle P under this transformation. 90-degree clockwise rotation about the origin. So now you know when we want to describe a rotation, we need to mention the angle, directions, and the center. Okay, so where's the origins? Origins is here, 0, 0. Okay, now we want to draw the triangle Q. So it's actually very easy. So I think I just label the vertices. Label the vertices easier for me to explain to you. Okay, so I will use the method that I showed you just now. So this is the center. I always start to calculate from the center. Now I want to find the image of point of the vertex A. 90-degree clockwise rotations about the origin. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, 4, 2, right? 4, 2, and will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. So this is image for point A. So how about B? 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So this is image for point B. How about point C? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2, 5. So after rotated 90 degrees, about this point you will get 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is image for point C. Then just link them together. Okay, so now you have the triangle Q. This is image of triangle P under this rotation, 90-degree clockwise rotation about the origin. Okay, so if I want to draw another rotation, okay, now we try 180-degree clockwise rotation about the same center, which is origin. Okay, so how to draw is actually very easy. Let me show you here. Okay, always start calculating from the center. Okay, now I find the image for A first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, it's 4, 2. So after the rotated 180 degree, you will get 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, right? Because 180 degree, we have to turn it 2 times. Okay, so where is point the image point B? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, this 2, 2. 90 degree will be 2, 2. So 180 degree will be 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, over here. Okay, last one for point C. This is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 2, 5. So 90 degree will be 2, 5. 180 degree, and you turn one more times. So we get 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is image for point C. And you just link them together. Connect all the points together. Okay, then you get the image for the triangle P under this 180 degree clockwise rotation about the origin. Okay, now we go to another one, which is 270 degree. Still remember what I told you just now? 270 degree clockwise, then 3 times. 1, 2, 3 is actually equal to 90 degree anti-clockwise. Still remember that? Okay, so I use this one to draw the image will be easier, because when you turn a lot of time you might make mistake. So better we use the easier method, right? So 90-degree anti-clockwise, how do we draw it? Okay, so now I calculate another way. You can calculate like this also, but if you don't want, now I use this method. I calculate from here, horizontal first, then vertical. Okay, 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, this 2 4. So if I rotate it 90-degree anti-clockwise, it will become 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the image for point A is over here. So how about B? 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, so this is the image for point B. How about C? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 1 2 5 2. After rotate it for 90-degree anti-clockwise, you will get 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Okay, so the image for point C will be here. Okay, so the next step, you just connect all the points together. Okay, so this is the image of triangle P after rotated for 270 degree clockwise about the origin. Okay, now we try this one. I use the same triangle, but now I have changed the center of rotations to point A, 2 1, and the angle of rotation is 270 degree anti-clockwise. Okay, still remember that 270 degree anti-clockwise is actually equal to what angle? So remember 90 degree clockwise, right? Okay, so 270 degree anti-clockwise is actually equal to 90 degree clockwise. So I just do this one, 90 degree clockwise. Okay, how do we draw the image? For this one, very easy. Always start calculating from the center. 1 1 2 3 4 1 4, right? So it will become 1 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is image for point B. Okay, now I go to point A. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 3 4. Okay, it will be 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is this is the A. A prime. Last one, C. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 7. It will become 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, it's over here. Point C. Okay, then you just connect all these points together. Okay, so now you have the image of triangle P after rotating for 270 degree anti-clockwise about the point A, 2 1. Okay, sometimes the question will give you the locations of the image and the object, and you need to determine where is the center of rotation. Okay, I just use this example to show you how do we get the center point A to 1 here. Okay, you just need to choose two corresponding vertices. You can choose two pair. I mean, two pair of corresponding vertices. This can be AA prime, BB prime, or BB prime, A prime, and also you can use also CC prime. We need to perform the perpendicular bisectors. Okay, what do I mean is like this. Okay, I choose A and A prime. I need to draw a perpendicular bisectors for this line. Okay, let's say you have This one, A prime. Okay, this line actually you don't have to draw it. For explanations, I will just show you. Actually, we are constructing a perpendicular bisectors for this straight line, A and A prime. Okay, so we need to use the compasses. Place this over here. Okay, arc here. Here also same thing, make an arc. And don't adjust the length. Place it at the point A prime. Still remember, right? The way how we construct a perpendicular bisector. Okay, so I have to draw it again because I cannot get the intersection point here. Okay, so the next step is to connect these two points together. Okay, so now I have this one perpendicular bisector. Not enough, I need another pair. So I think I just choose B and B prime. As I told you just now, we actually don't have to connect the B and B prime together. We just place our compasses at point B and B prime. Okay, I think I use another color, green. Okay, make an arc. And arc also. Then don't adjust the width, do this over here. Place over here, B prime. Okay. So next step, you just connect these 2 points together. Okay, so now we have the center of rotation. So where the center of rotation? Center of rotation is in this intersection point between these two perpendicular bisector, which is here. Okay, 2 1, right? 2 1. Okay, so for this video rotation, I will just stop here. Hope that after watching this video, you understand better for this rotation. See you again next time. Bye bye.